Magnitude 6.9 earthquake depth 50 kilometers strikes New Guinea, Papua New Guinea on the 23rd of March, 2024. Earthquake subject to change. Papua New Guinea, in the southwestern Pacific, encompasses the eastern half of New Guinea and its offshore islands. A country of immense cultural and biological diversity, it's known for its beaches and coral reefs. Inland are active volcanoes, granite Mount Wilhelm, dense rainforest, and hiking routes like the Kokoda Trail. There are also traditional tribal villages, many with their own languages. Earthquake Info Credit, EMSC. Thank you for watching.